Hello there, welcome to your Scottish forecast from the Met Office. Now the weather turns stormy into the weekend. The Met Office has named Storm Amy. More about that in a moment. For the current time though, we do have weather fronts just pushing in from the Atlantic. We have a rain warning in force through Wednesday into Thursday. Flooded roads, the risk of landslides, and gusts could reach 45 to 55 miles an hour. Western Scotland in particular vulnerable to those high rainfall totals, but it will be wet across many areas, and that is not the end of the story. Even so, as we head through the next 24 hours, it's worth noting there will be some impacts associated with this rain. And it's wet at the moment across many areas. That rain just coming and going, pushing ever northeastwards, some drier skies, particularly in shelter across the northeast. But notice some heavier pulses into the early hours of Thursday morning. And across the upslopes towards the west there, that's where the rain will be persistent. So through the night, temperatures holding up because of the wind, which will be strong at times, and also the cloud and also the rain. So a bit of a wet and windy start to the day come Thursday morning. It will be mild though. So through the morning we watch as the rain continues to pile in from the west. But notice there could be some breaks in the cloud, Aberdeenshire, Moray Firth, down towards Angus through the middle part of the day. But certainly that's not going to be the case as we head through the afternoon. This cloud and rain starts to intensify and extends across particularly the northern and northwestern areas of the country as temperatures arrive around 15 to 17 Celsius, so relatively mild for the time of year and the fact the weather is so inclement. Now there's warnings being issued as we head through the next few days. A rain warning until midnight on Friday and a wind warning from Friday evening until Saturday midnight. So some impactful weather coming. It's going to turn stormy, and this is Storm Amy. It's developing all the while across the North Atlantic at the moment. We do have some subtropical elements associated with it as well, hence the reason why we're seeing such lively conditions. First, the rain moves in. Heavy rain, persistent rain, adding to those rainfall totals after the rain we've seen and we will see over the next 24 hours, sweeping quickly though towards the northeast. So let's pick up on the detail as we head through Thursday. Through Thursday into Friday, you can see where this rain is extending northwards and then wrapping round again and returning to this vulnerable area here, the northwest of Scotland, where you're seeing so much already. So again, some really pretty horrible conditions if you are travelling. But then a brief respite through the afternoon as we see clearer weather coming in and also some sunshine before all change yet again. And this is Storm Amy. Storm Amy develops and tracks in. It's a deep area of low pressure, extending its way northwards. The centre of the low always towards the far north of Scotland. That's where we'll see the strongest winds, severe gales here. Gusts could reach 60 to 70 miles an hour, perhaps in exposure 80 miles an hour. So that's the yellow wind warning as we head through from Friday into Saturday. And remember, you have that rain warning through Friday as well. So lots of issues on the roads, on the ferries, high waves, as well as the rails. So through Friday night, that eventually clears and we can see into Saturday that sweep, that returning rain continues yet again with a real squeeze there, lots of wind, and that means severe gales, gusty winds hopping over the highlands as well, and a mass of showers moving in from a cold direction. So temperatures taking a tumble on Saturday, 12 or 13 degrees Celsius. Wherever you are, stay tuned to the forecast. The warnings could be updated over the next 24 hours, and certainly there's some danger around, some risk to life with those winds and also that rain through the next few days.